What's up, y'all? So it's been a while since I've done a vlog, and yeah, this is the first one actually for 2012, and I'll be heading to Central High School today to perform for their show, so that should be exciting.
So we are here in the auditorium. Justin Vane, which he is a beast. Yeah, it should be exciting today, man. This place should be pretty packed. Well, at least that's what I heard, so. People are gonna come in. Should be a good show. You guys get ready. Jamal warming up. The show's gonna start. And Mary, of course, the talented Mary here. Or Ellie now. Some playing guys. Huh? Everybody is ready.
You give me a feeling that I've never felt before. It's becoming something that's impossible to ignore.
'Cause why can't I love you in slow motion? Take my time, take away the pressure on my mind. Really get to know you and rewind. I wanna love you in slow motion. Why can't I?
Thank you very much. Get single file line, guys.
Hey, hold up, break the wall, come on!
Hey, what's up, Pong?
What's up, Pong?
You did awesome tonight at Central. It was an honor for me to be performing for you tonight.
Same here.
And we just want to say that you did awesome on your original with the two girls and your other one, Slow Motion. And you just did awesome. That's
Dude,
what we
that
think.
performance was badass, dude. It was like an honor to watch you perform live. And
Yeah.
watch and perform with you.
Yeah,
Not
that's
with
right,
you, but
that's
on
right.
the same stage.
That's right, that's right.
Same night.
But sorry for stealing your little camera, so we're gonna head out. All right, peace.
Peace out.
So after the show, everybody's just eating, chilling. Some good food. So, yeah, we have some supporters here at Central High School. We have Brianna. What's up, guys? Jonathan right there.
Oh, you remember my name!
Yeah. Appreciate the love, guys.
Central was good, man.
Head down with some friends now. Just hanging out. And yeah, it's crazy over here. We're chilling out here right now.
That's how you do it, dude. That's
Oh, it's not
Matt Martin.
yo,
Not record me.
Oh.
Yo, yeah, I didn't get that. Yo,
so cool, dude. That's so cool.
Yeah, it's crazy, y'all. It's cold.
Man,
We're
how
just
much
hanging
you
out.
pay for that?
we're just hanging out.
What's up, y'all? So this guy here wants my
You guys are recording this.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you, Paul.
One,
Cody Lee signing an autograph.
I can only sign it if Plum signs it.
Alright, I'll sign it. I'll sign it too.
Are you sure?
Yep. Just sign that.
Are you sure, Dirt?
Sign it.
Sign it.
I don't like to white on white stuff.
It's okay. Wait, 我贴保安. And it goes with my shirt. My shirt's right.
Oh, sign it on Dur's heart. She's like pulling her shirt open. She's like signing it on her.
Getting an autograph from Cody Lee. That's crazy. How you feeling, Dur?
Very happy.
Long and crazy night yesterday.
Got something to eat. Chilling with the guys.
This is like 2 decks.
Yeah. Heading back home soon.
So me and Nick Yang here heading back to the cities after a wonderful evening hanging out with just friends and whatnot. So thanks for tuning in to my vlogs, and until next time.